The RadScout system uses Bluetooth to communicate between the tablet, GPS receiver, and the radiation survey meter, typically a Ludlum Model 2221 or a Ludlum Model 3000. When the RadScout system is delivered, the tablet will have been programmed to automatically connect to the GPS receiver and the meter it was shipped with. If, however, there is a need to change the connection, or in case of a malfunction, the tablet can be programmed to connect to any ERG Bluetooth-capable meter or any GEO-GPS receiver. To connect to a new meter, open the RadScout application from the tablet home screen. Select Program Settings from the File drop-down menu. Ensure that the meter type is consistent with the meter that you are attempting to connect to. Select the small search icon to the right of the meter source. Once your meter's serial ID number is available, select it and click on the Connect button. To connect a GPS receiver, select the small search icon to the right of the GPS source. Then select the GPS receiver with the proper serial number. Be sure to save your settings. Next, select Meter from the Settings drop-down menu, represented by a gear. Then select Connect below the meter icon. Then select Connect below the GPS receiver icon. When the connection is made, the meter and the GPS status will be visible on the bottom left corner of the tablet screen. Please check out our other RadScout instructional videos on the ERG webpage. Any feedback or suggestions for additional RadScout videos is appreciated and can be sent to radscout@ergoffice.com.